back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a budget with me video and just show you guys how I come up with the numbers that I stuff for my cash stuffing. So this is a spreadsheet that I made and I just imported to my iPad. So we're going to be working on the budget for April 13th is when I'll be stuffing. Okay. And so in our first section here, we go through income. And so my first income is from my clothing boutique, and this is what I pull from those funds. No matter what, I can always afford this amount. And then for income two, this is if I sell over a certain threshold or if one of my side hustles pays, this is where this money comes from. So I got 366. So we'll add those two. And we come up with 1,032. So that's my income total. So next we have bills. So we'll go down to the bills section. And so for my current bills, I have Sprint, my credit card, any subscriptions like Netflix, Hulu, stuff like that. And then business subscriptions, which is like my website hosting, apps that I use for my business, graphic design software, stuff like that. So what actually happened with Sprint was I was supposed to be putting in $110 here, but I got some settlement money from just random settlements I fill out, and so that paid for just about all of Sprint. So I actually only need $22. For my self credit card, I've already paid that. For my personal subscriptions, I need $10. And for my business subscriptions, I'm going to be putting $20. So that gives me a total of $52. And so we're going to subtract 52 from our income. And that leaves us with $980. So we're going to take our total from here and we're going to add it up here. So in this section, we'll be adding $52. So next up is our variable expenses, which is our cash envelopes that go in our wallet. And so for those, I stuff pretty much the same thing every week. So we have $150 for groceries. We have $40 for gas. For dining out, we add $40. For spending money, we add $25. I'm sorry, for laundry, I'm tripping. For laundry, we add $20. And then for spending money, we add $25. So I can do it here. So we have 150, 40, 40, 20, and 25. So that gives us a total of $275. And so we want to subtract $270 from this 980. And that leaves us with $705 to head over to our sinking funds. But first we want to move this total for the cash envelopes up here to the top. So under variable expenses, we're going to add $275. Now we're going to take our remaining $705 over to our sinking funds. Okay, and I'm going to stuff these a little different. I normally have like set amounts, but I'm wanting to get my emergency fund fully stuffed in April, so I'm going to be adding a little extra there. So we're going to start with our emergency fund, and to that one we'll be adding $111. To debt we'll be adding $25. To our health fund we'll be adding $25. To our car we'll be adding $50. And I've already pretty much pre-calculated these, but if you were doing it on your own, what you would do is see this 705 and subtract your amounts as you add them in. So there's 111, there's 25, there's 25, there's 50. Let me go ahead and do that with you. So taxes, I'm going to be adding 20. To my savings, I'm going to be adding 75. To Oh My Fro, which is my business account, I'm going to be adding 25. Family Time will be getting 25. Gifts will be getting 15. Vacations will be getting 30. My Oh Shit Fund will be getting 25. Toiletries will be getting 15. Christmas, excuse me, I get a lot of emails. Christmas will be getting 15. Rico, which is my pet turtle, he will be getting $5. My birthday will be getting $15. It's just really a general birthday fund. Fair Products will be getting $15. Investing will be getting $55, which right now is just me trying to max out my IRA for the year. Clothing will be getting $10. Sprint will be getting $20, which is not for the bill, it's to actually pay off some leased phones. And a wedding that I'm attending will also be getting $20. So that leaves me with $109, as you can see here. And you can go back and add up all your funds to get your total, but I already know, because I said I've done it ahead of time. So I know my total here is $596. So I'm going to take that total and put it over here for sinking funds. And so the last thing we have remaining is our challenges. And so we have $109 for challenges. So I went ahead and picked two numbers off of my sheet. So I have a 52-week challenge sheet. And so I just picked two numbers off of my sheet to use today. And so I picked 51 and 41. So I just write them here so when I do cash stuff, I'll know which numbers to mark off. And so 51 and 41 together is $92. And then I'm also participating in the April Make It Rain challenge. And so for this week, my total was to add $17. Okay. And so my total for my challenges is $109. So remaining, we have $0. So we have given every dollar in our budget a place. So we'll take this $109, put it up here. And what I just like to do is go through with my calculator and make sure that I did everything correctly. So we have $1,032 minus $52 from our bills, $275 from our variable expenses, $596 from our sinking funds, and $109 from our challenges. So right on the head at our zero-based budget. And so what I added, because I know people like to write down what they're actually stuffing, so I don't typically have this section here because I just like to stuff and go. But if you buy this sheet from me, you can write down what you actually end up stuffing. So, or you can, not what you actually end up stuffing, but what your totals are. So once you add $111 to your sinking funds, you can write the total down here. So say the total is $200, so you write 200 here. So you have that option. What we're going to do is go section by section and figure out what bills we're going to need for each one. So I'm going to start here from the bottom. So my 52-week challenge, I need $92. So I'm just going to take 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 2. So there's my $92 on my sheet, and here it is, right? So for the Make It Rain challenge, I need $17. 10, 15, 17. So that's covered. Let's move to our emergency funds. So for wedding, we need 20. And I'm just going to go through here and mark them off. You can watch. So now what I go ahead and do, bring it in, is I just go ahead and total out how many. Sorry. So I need 2 100s, 6 50s, 5 10 15 16 20s, 5 10 11 12 13 10s, 15 5s, 3 $2 bills, 1 $1 bill. And so here we're going to go $200. Here this is $300, $320, $130, $75, $6, and $1. Your total amount. I hope y'all can see that. I just completely did not even have it in view. So now we're just going to go through and add up all of our totals to make sure that they equal what they're supposed to. So we have 200, 300, 320, 130, 75, 6, and 1. And we have 1,032. And here that's what we need is 1,032. So that's pretty much it. I'll go back and clean this up for my teller so that she just knows I need $200 and $200 instead of sending her this whole mess. Matter of fact, I'll do that and I'll come right back. My ID, and I can go ahead and just withdraw this amount from the bank and it's ready to stuff. So that's pretty much how I do my budgeting to get ready to come on here and cash stuff every week. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just feel free to leave it in the comments, and I do my best to respond to everybody. This stuff will all be available as a digital download and a printable on my website, which launches April 12th, and it's baddiesandbudgets.com. So you guys feel free to come over and check us out, see if there's anything you like. We have custom binders and such. So you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, I almost forgot, but one little last thing. This will be my 3rd out of 5 giveaways, but I wanted this one to be in the video for people who watch my video from beginning to end. So here's a custom binder. One of the ones we'll be making just has a Louis Vuitton print on the front, or faux Louis Vuitton, you know, and it's clear. And I also put this cute little glitter-filled envelope, and then it has these cute holographic envelopes in here. They're already custom made. Just general envelopes that anybody can use. I threw in my 52-week challenge and an envelope for that, as well as a cash breakdown. And so all you have to do to win this binder is leave a comment with your favorite food on it. And the first person who does that will win this binder, and I'll message you back and you can send me your address, and this cutie will be on its way to you. Thank you guys so much for your support. For 1,000 subscribers, I really appreciate it, and this is just a small gesture of thanks. But you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.